Yes, I'm kind of showing you guys right now how I get compost for my plant. I try not to, I try to do everything natural. I try to feed the plant with natural stuff and not chemical. So these, you see this is the kind of stuff I feed my plant. I come and I dig out the rotten stuff from the trunk, and I place it around the plants them. This is real organic compost, guys. I try to do it natural. I take the plants, I'm seeing you know, you have ants and stuff in there. So I really don't want to take the ants in my garden, but I need a compost. So what can I do? This is, man, look at this thing. Look at this, guys. This is real organic compost. The plant's gonna love this. I think natural is the way, you know. I think the plants them, watch, I already have almost half bucket. This is all I'm gonna take because right now I only want to put around the beet them that I now plant. So I'm gonna just take just as much as I want, and then one day I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna scrape it out really good and get all that I need. Yes, guys, so this is the compost that I'm gonna use for the beet, around the beet. This is real compost, real organic compost. One of the best kind of compost you could feed your plant with. You know, I'm trying to teach you guys, if you have access to these things, don't afraid to use them. Like rotten trees, they produce some of the best compost. Okay? So just remember, you're trying to save money, not spend money. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all.